Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I say welcome to LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. Okay, Intelligence Prime Capital, how to fund your wallet is what I'm going to share with you today in this video. How to fund your wallet, how to fund your Intelligence Prime Capital wallet is what I have to share with you today, because so many people have been contacting me about IPC, different questions on how to fund the wallet, how to purchase the bot, how to subscribe to AIA bot, which bot is the best, the capital to fund, and so many other questions. So I will be sharing you step by step on how to fund your wallet in this video. Start earning now. Explore AI in wealth creation. There are so many evolution of money. There are so many ways whereby you can earn money online. So evolution of money started through barter system. After that, through the carries, through the coin, that is metal coin system. After that, paper system. After internet. So but this time around you can make money through AI, that is artificial intelligence. But how can you get started? How can you know the right AI technology to make use of? So I will be showing you one of the AI technology that you can adopt in wealth creation. So just stay tuned and watch this video to the very end for you to have the full knowledge of what I'm about to share with you today rather. Okay, but before I go deep into this video, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you courtesy of LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. Okay, in LASOJENIC BIZZTALK is created to share with you my online ideas on how to generate residual income, on how to make money online. So this is what I've been doing over and over again, and all these videos, they are for financial education. So you can feel free to watch any of my videos, and if you like it, then give me a thumbs up. You can also do your own personal findings before you venture into any of the discussed content. And also don't forget, it is very important that you subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell and turn it to all notification for you to be continually aware or get notified of the next content of the next video, because I'm promising you to be giving you time to time ways whereby you can make money online. And also, if you are contemplating about joining a particular online platform which promises you a particular amount of ROI, just send me the link of the company. I'm going to review it and I will give you my sincere recommendation. All right, so that is the reason why this channel is created, to warn people of fraudulent online investments, to stop them from losing their hard-earned money to scammers online. Because in the process of looking for a way to generate passive income, there are several wolves in sheep clothing online, and which I will work against. So just feel free to browse through my channel and contact me if you have any question. You can contact me through this WhatsApp number here or through my email address on this top right corner of the screen. Okay, so once again, what we are considering today is Intelligence Prime Capital, how to fund your wallet. How to fund your wallet. Start earning now. Explore AI in wealth creation. Alright, so let me quickly go to my Intelligence Prime Capital account. Let me log in to show you how it is, and I'm going to show you my MetaTrader 4, in which it is linked together. So I'm going to show you everything that you need to know tonight. Alright, so let me pause video so that I can log into my account. Okay, welcome back. I have successfully logged into my IPC account. As you can see, this is my dashboard. in my USDT wallet here, I have just 39 cents, and in my MT4 trading capital wallet, I have $235.82. Okay, and now let me see if there is any correspondence. Let me compare my IPC sites, IPC dashboard, and my MT4 dashboard, MT4 app. Okay, this is my MT4 account. This is the MT4. It is used to trade forex. You can see what I have here. This is $235.82, and this is the record of today's trading activities. As you can see, I made $3.40 today. $3.40 today based on my capital here. So altogether, I have $235.82. Okay, so now you can see they are the same. They are the same, 235.82, 235.82. So MetaTrader 4 is linked up to your IPC account. So now, how will you fund your wallet? How will you fund your IPC capital? Maybe you are starting. So first thing, after you have created your account, after it has been verified, then you come here to your dashboard and you click on transaction. Click on transaction. Let me show you the. Okay, you click on transaction here. So this is the transaction button. So after you've clicked on it, then you click on funding. You click on funding. So you get to this page. Okay, you have an announcement blasting with 1K subscribers. So don't miss out, because people are doing this thing and it's really worth it. It's really worth it. Okay, so let me close the announcement. Now you are having options. You are having two options. That is either you fund your wallet through TRC20 based USDT on TRC20, or you use Bitcoin. Is either you use Bitcoin or TRC20 based USDT. You know, we have different network for USDT. We have TRC20, we have ERC20, we have BEP20, we have BSC20, we have BSC. So just choose TRC20. Don't make that mistake. Don't make that mistake, please and please. So you select TRC20 or you select Bitcoin. So, and after you have selected your own preferred or your own choice of cryptocurrency, then you come here and click on the copy address. So you click on the copy address. So after you have clicked on it, then it has copied to your phone's clipboard automatically, and then you will take the address to your exchange site or to your cryptocurrency wallet to send the required amount, to send the amount you wish to fund your wallet with. You can see here, please don't deposit any digital asset except TRC20 USDT to the above address, otherwise you may lose your asset permanently. Minimum deposit amount is $1 USDT, so you can deposit as low as $1 USDT. So that is the next thing. You copy the address and take it to your external wallet or to the exchange site that you wish to send from. Okay, so let me pause this video to do that quickly. All right, okay, welcome back. As you can see, I have successfully deposited $200 to my wallet now. $200 has been deposited. So it is very simple, very simple. It doesn't take time when you use USDT TRC20, that is TRC20 based USDT. When you use that, it is very fast and it will reflect in your dashboard as soon as possible. So now the next thing, if you are just subscribing to a bot, the next thing for you to do is that you click on the subscription button here. You click on the subscription button, then you choose any of these. You have the Brilliant bot, you have the Genius bot, and you also have the Smart bot. So you click on subscribe. So after you have clicked on subscribe, when you click subscribe, then it's going to ask you how much are you using as your capital. For instance, let's assume you deposited $200 and the price for the bot is 99.9, approximately $100. So you are going to include it in the column that will be provided. You input your capital, so both the money for the capital and the money for the bot will be deducted from your USDT wallet on your dashboard. So $100 will be used for the bot and $100 will be transferred to your MT4 wallet. As you can see here, it will be transferred to your MT4 wallet, as you can see here. Okay, to be transferred here. So, but as for me, I've already subscribed to the bot. I just want to top up my capital. So what will I do now? Then I will also click on the menu icon here, then click on transaction as well, then click on internal transfer. So I want to transfer from my USDT wallet to my MT4 wallet to increase my trading capital. So that is what I am intending to do. Then here you select, you type the amount you want to put there. $200. Then you click on this verification code. You click on send code, and the code will be sent to your registered email. Okay, so let me wait for the email. So let me wait for the email. Let me pause the video. Sorry. So okay, I have successfully transferred the $200 to my MT4 wallet. So let's check. It has successfully transferred to my MT4 wallet. As you can see now, in the MT4 trading capital, I now have 435.82. 435.82. So check here. Let's check the MT4 app. So okay, before we check it, let me show you other things that you need to know. There are so many potentials in IPC. You can be a networker, you can earn from the global bonus if you are a managing director or shareholder director. Okay, you can also earn from this on monthly basis, and when you refer your friend, you are entitled to a particular commission both on the deposit and on the bot purchased. So just take your time to check this video very well to do your own. You can also do your own findings, but this is one of the ways whereby I and many other people have been making money through AI, because the bot is designed by AI technologies with some algorithm, and which helps to make sales. It helps to make profit on daily basis. So I will soon show you my MT4 trading activities to show you how effective this bot is. So it's an opportunity that you can't afford to miss. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. So before I call it a day, let me show you my MT4 app. My MT4 app. Okay. So you can see now that it has reflected here. So the $200 that I deposited, it has reflected here. So I now have in total $435.82 So that is how it works. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your time. I appreciate your courage, and don't forget that it is very important that you subscribe to this channel. You click on the notification bell, set it to all notifications. If this video add value to you, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like the video, and share with your friends and family, because this can be one thing that many has been waiting for. So you need to share this so that they too can be financially free, secured, and settled. Alright, thanks so much for watching this video once again. Till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all. Bye for now.